So, what is going on now? I mean, what's going on, you two guys? Today, in this video today, we're going to show you how to hug up, hug up your, PlayStation 3 console to the 4K TV, and that way you'll get picture and sound. So so let me go on first, and then let me put it down side here. Anyway, easy. So first off, you need to get this H HDMI cable, H HDMI cable as well. We got it hooked up here to the TV, and get rid of this thing, and I'm going to need my power power I mean cord power cord power cord as well, power cord and in this power cord and everything, and my my USB charger USB charger as well. And what's now is I need my dual shock controller. So let's get it hooked up. So first off, we need to plug in my power cord in there, and it has been ripped up. My cables a little bit. Let's go ahead and get the HDMI, and so plug in the HDMI and the PS3 PS 3. Okay, I got plugged in, and ready to go. Tangled up. Gain some. Turn power switch on. Right. Let's plug it in. There. Okay, we got a little bit. Okay, I got a red light on top. So let's turn it on. On. That's good. You can hear it. Fan. Hey, wait 1 second. Gotta change the input. PlayStation 3. PlayStation 3. Let's turn on. That's good. You can hear the fan right now. So it's doing something. There we go. And turn on my controller on. And I get sound now. Sound to the TV. Sound settings. Go to audio output. Use the HDMI. Now see we got. And there you go. Sound, everything. That's working fun, guys. Let's try a game in the game in the DVD. I got soccer. I sneeze all the time. Soccer. SOCCER. Soccer game. So pop it in. Okay, I can hear the disc spinning, and there it is. Alright. Give it a few seconds. And there you go. That works fine. So let me show you pop I am DVD in. DVD in. Jet this one. Jet this one. Soccer game. Go my video. Okay, yeah, so I got the DVD calls is calling blue screws and you. Santa la la la. Let me try that. Okay, I can hear it. Word around. It recognizes that as the DVD. Video. It works. I can watch it. Watch it. I can watch it later when eating. Breasts. Check this one. That works fine. That should do it. Let me test out the sound. Okay? Sound real quick. Go. So hope you guys can hear it. But yeah, it's it still works fine. So yeah, I mean, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it's helped. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. And please share this like this video. Bye.